of the third and seventh terms of an AP is 6 and a product is 8. Find the sum of the first 16 terms of that AP. Okay. So here what is given? Sum of the sum means Sn. Okay. Now Sn, is it Sn? No, it's not Sn. Sum of the terms means basically term 3 and term 7 and their addition. It's not S3 and S7. It's T3 and T7 and addition of that. Okay. Similarly multiplication of those. So T3 into T7 equals to 8, product is 8, and T3 plus T7 equals to 6, right? So find the, we have to find what? Sum of first 16 terms of that AP, means then we have to find out the S, okay? So first term, let the first term be A and CD be D, okay? First term A, common difference D, therefore A plus 2D plus A plus 6D equals to 6, right? T3 is what? A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 3 minus 1 into D. Similarly T7, A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Okay. So 2A plus 8D equals to 6, A plus 4D equals to 3, A equals to 3 minus 4D. Okay. Now put this value of A in here. First what have we done? We have taken the sum and then solved it. Now put the value which we get in product. Now what is the how to write the product? T3 into T7 means A plus 2D into A plus 6D, right, equals to 8. Getting it? So put the value of A now. Therefore 3 minus 4D plus 2D into 3 minus 4D plus 6D equals to 8. Solve this. That is 3 minus 2D into 3 plus 2D equals to 8. A plus A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. 9 minus 4 D square equals to 8. 4 D square equals to 1, right? D square equals to 1 upon 4. D equals to plus or minus 1 upon 2, right? So you have got D equals to plus or minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now if D equals to plus 1 upon 2, we'll solve both the cases. Then what? A equals to what? 3 minus 4 into 1 upon 2. That is 1. How? This we got it over here in the first only we solved it. 3 minus 4D. D is 1 upon 2 now. So A equals to 3 into 4 in 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. That is 1. So A you got it, D you got it. So S16 equals to 16 upon 2 into 2 into A means 2 into 1 plus 15 into means n minus 1 into D, right? Therefore solve this, you will get 4 into 4 plus 15 equals to, solve this, 76. So S16 equals to 76. We want the sum of the first 16 terms. So we got S16 when D equals to 1 by 2. Now if D equals to minus 1 by 2, then what? A equals to then 3 into 4 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2, right? Earlier it was plus, now it's minus. So 5. So S16 equals to 16 upon 2 into 2 into 5 2A plus n minus 1 means 15 into D minus 1 by 2. Solve this. 8 into 10 minus 15 by 2, that is 5. So 4 into 5, so 20. So S16 equals to 20. So either the answer is 76 or 20, depending on D equals to plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. In exam, the options given would be 76, 20 and other options. So you have to take this 76, 20. Next,